Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today we are going to make a Thailand food called papaya salad.
We call Som Tam in Thailand. So Chef Napat will show you what about the ingredient that you have to prepare.
Green papaya,
Yeah.
carrots,
Tamarind.
tamarind,
Soak in water.
soak in water. Now, no, it's tomato,
Yes.
fish sauce, peanuts,
Yep.
bean, garlic and pepper.
Yeah. Stop them.
Chef will mix it. You get this first, but
Okay. Then you can taste first.
well, my cook helper will taste. Because I
Napat,
am the kid.
Chef, can you?
I want to taste it.
เชฟต้องเทสครับพูดถึงเอง It's good, right? And
I'm
then
gonna cry.
you can decorate your dish by use
I'm gonna drink some water.
ผู้พามานี่ก่อนแม่ท
Okay, now when you finish it, you can decorate it. So just go with the plan.
ำ vegetable your place too much
Yes. So just. Now you could add.
ตักใส่สวยตักใส่จานสวยๆวางทับบนผักเยี่ยม great วางบนผักด้วยวางสวยๆบนผัก
Oh, watch anime after this. Now, when you actually are done, you could eat it. But
เชฟยกจานขึ้น2 มือ
this is it. This is the
This is our som tam, so you girl can try to do it really easy.
really easy. So much
Enjoy!
easy.
Right?
Enjoy. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you for watching.